Fluid flushes, transmissions, it really depends on the make and model and the usage. A lot of the transmissions nowadays are sealed and they don't have filters. The fluids are a whole lot better than they used to be. So I'm probably going to say 100 to 120,000 miles. I had somebody come in the other day that the dealership told them they needed it at 12. No, absolutely not. So we do a lot of that, correcting other things. You'll even see in the maintenance schedules that we print out, which are come from the manufacturers, that they don't recommend these things till that certain mileage. So always check with me. I have every single make, every single model, and their maintenance schedule on what is required, say at 30,000, 20,000, 110,000, 150,000. We have it all. So you just let us know, and we'll tell you exactly what you need, and save you a lot of money there.